USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals and join these brokers on the platform and start your trading journey. So if you want to trade especially with my signals, then open a separate account and trade with my signals in that account only. So join the broker, subscribe, like, coming back to the chart here, starting the dollar approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are continuing the uptrend, I guess. Yes, so this low is never broken. So if you use your line right here, as you can see, there you go. So this low was the last low, which was never broken. So we are continuing the uptrend. So you have to identify the reversal early in the weekly chart, because whatever happens in weekly, you get to know only after 2 months. So you have to be smart enough. So come back to daily chart. In daily, we have closed above the EMA. Okay, this previous high is broken. So all these previous highs are broken. We have to take a pullback now. So this is your... Okay, so officially we have started the uptrend, but pullback will happen. So pullback is supposed to happen. Don't just enter buy blindly, okay? Pullback will happen, then you enter long. So come back to 4 hour now. 4 hour uptrend pullback. Let me use fib levels from here to here. Setup is this. Setup is nice. Now, the only problem is today's Friday, and Friday is a fucked up day. No movement on Friday. So Friday, you might be consolidating, okay? Today, I don't know. I don't know, because it depends how the US market will react. But as of now, either will go further down or will go straight away up, okay? Because so far, we have taken only 38% pullback in USDCAD, okay? So far, we have only taken 38% pullback. So one possibility is that we might just bounce back to the upside from here. When the US market opens, we might just carry on going up. Or else, when the US market opens, we'll continue the downtrend up to 61% or 78%, touch the EMA, rejected, then a blue candle, and then we'll go up, okay? So you have to keep an eye or wait at least until the US market opens, okay? When I'm recording the video, it's like 5 hours, 6 hours to go before the market opens, okay? So again, I'm telling you, either 38% pullback is over and will continue going up, or else we'll continue further pullback until 61% or 78%, and then reject the EMA and then continue further up. So keep an eye in 4 hour when the US market opens on Friday, okay? So this is how you act smart, and nobody else tells you what I had just told you, okay? So one secret of trading is that you have to stay on zero. Zero means that if you don't make money, then you don't lose money at least. So it's, the strategy is, if you can't make money, then just hold on to your money, okay? So it's not like you have just trade straight. What I just told you, 2 conditions: either will carry on going up or will continue the pullback, okay? So hold on to your money, keep an eye, and look into some other trades as well. When you find enough surety in one particular trade with a lot of influences, then only enter that trade. You have to be confident. And remember one thing as well, today's Friday. So you have to have a lot of things in your mind. You have to have news calendar, which day is trading, which time interval, which session it is. You have to be very careful in all of that, okay? So if you like what you see on the screen, and if you can understand this guy has the knowledge, then subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, join the brokers using my link, and join Telegram, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.